In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV into Airtable. Let's jump right in so you can get your data into the right place without headaches. Start by heading to the Airtable website. Make sure you're signed in and open the base where you want the data to live. At the top of the screen, next to your table tabs, click the plus icon, the Add or Import option, and choose to import. When the source list appears, select CSV file. Now drag and drop your CSV into the upload window, or click Browse to pick it from your computer. A quick tip before you upload. It helps if your CSV already has a clear first row with column names and consistent formatting, like one row per record and commas as separators. In the Import Your File window, choose your destination. If you want Airtable to build a fresh table from the file, select Create a New Table. This is great when you're exploring or setting things up for the first time. If you already have a table with the structure you want, and you're just adding more rows, select Existing Table and pick it from the list. Using an existing table keeps your views, filters, and automations intact, but be sure your CSV headers align with your table's fields for clean results. Click Next to open the Adjust Your Import screen. Turn on. Use the first row as headers, so those column names become field names and don't get imported as a data record. Then review the field types that Airtable has auto-detected. It does a solid job, but it's worth double-checking. Change text to number for totals and quantities, switch to date for dates, and keep things like IDs or postal codes as text if leading zeros matter. If your dates aren't recognized, make sure the format in your CSV is consistent, like YYYYMDD. Finally, toggle off any columns you don't want to import. This is useful for helper columns, scratch notes, or anything you don't need in the base. Less clutter means easier filtering and cleaner views later. That's the workflow. Open your base, add or import. Pick CSV, upload, choose a new or existing table, use the first row as headers, confirm field types, and turn off unwanted columns. With those adjustments in place, your data will land in Airtable in a clean, usable format, ready for views, filters, and automations.